Between two sizes, definitely go up a size. It's a wide, almost that cigar band feeling. In the back, you have a silver width of over a quarter of an inch.
Yeah,
I'm between a 5.5 and a 6, so the 6
you would
fits
go
me
with
great.
6, exactly.
Yeah. But if you say, gee, I'm sometimes between a 7 and an 8, then go up to that 8, and you'll love it. It also have to be feeding it. Just put it in that gift drawer. I'm already starting. I have a little closet in my laundry room where I put all my special things that I buy and think, okay, I'm saving that for him, I'm saving that for her. Tuck it away, put a little note, put it in your journal, and know when the holidays come around, that's one less present you have to buy at the last minute because you picked it up today when you had the luxury of looking at 25 hours of Diamonique. And you're able to bring home something so pretty. We had actually a single stone pendant in the last hour at 3 p.m. that sold out, and we never even had a chance. Color, color, color. It's all about color. And in Diamonique Directions, we've been telling you about what's the direction, what's the trend, what's the new here. And it was so funny, I have to tell you. Rick Domeyer and I were talking about how to describe the color of this ring, and I said, it's like Cinderella's dress where the satin is blue, and somebody in the room said, somehow it's not going to seem quite right coming out of Rick's mouth. Just kind of created that whole genre. You'll hear Joan talk about someone wearing pumpkin-colored diamonds, purple diamonds, colors of diamonds, thanks to Hollywood and thanks to the jewels that they borrow for the night, have been so popular. The beauty of Epiphany, which is platinum clad over silver, like Lisa said, not a trick question. Do I really want diamonds set in platinum? Yes. Is it a very expensive proposition? Of course. So hence, here comes Diamonique. You know, you can't really fake the luxury car. You know, it kind of is what it is. Or a big, beautiful house. Or even, you know, a jacket that's kind of thrown together, looks sloppy on the body compared to a jacket that is beautifully tailored, but then is more expensive. What always is cool about Diamonique and fun for me, and hopefully if you're trying it for the first time you'll understand it when you wear it, is that there's no downside. There's nothing. I don't shop there and out comes Cook's Essentials is on the stove, and what about that girl that does this or that? So it's kind of neat to know that someone that can really shop anywhere and find anything comes to QVC, and it takes just your first purchase. If you're brand new to QVC, this would be a beautiful way to put us under scrutiny. Take a look at this, wear it, try it. You've got a 30-day unconditional money-back guarantee on every item that we present on the air or that you buy on QVC.com. Hi, welcome to QVC. You're live on the set in heavy 14-karat yellow gold or white gold in sizes 5 through 10. Now, I notice already 600 have been ordered. What's a silk fit? Well, silk fit is a type of ring that really kind of mimics our bodies. Now you can see their absolute beauty. And if you haven't seen the Today's Special Value yet, I'll give you a quick gander at the item number. And we're going to actually talk about it in a moment. But anyway, it is, hold on, J9602.